everyone, I'm Twinkle Sharma helping you to crack cloud certification. So today we will tell about the roadmap of Azure certifications. Okay, with the profile as we already discussed about the roadmap of AWS certifications. Then now we will discuss about the Azure certifications. First we have the cloud administrator profile in which we have to do the Azure 900 fundamentals first, and after that we have to do Azure administrator course. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to deploy, manage virtual machines, networks, identity, backups, monitoring. And in this profile, we have to start with the fundamentals, then deep dive into infrastructure. Then we have the another profile which is a solution architect, which is start with the fundamentals, then go for the Azure Administrator. After that, the Azure Solutions Architect, which is Azure 305. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to design Azure solutions for scalability, availability, and security. Need the strong infra plus design expertise in this profile. After that, we have the DevOps engineer profile, in which the first Azure fundamentals. After that, you have to do the Azure administrator. Also, with this administrator, you have to do the Azure developer, which is called AZ204. After that, for the professional one, you have to do the Azure DevOps Engineer course, in which you have to responsibilities to automate CI/CD, manage infra as code, monitor pipelines. Then requires knowledge in both administrator as well as in development. Then we have the security engineer profile, which is in the first we have to do the SC 900 course, which is security, compliance, and identity fundamentals training. After that, you have to do the Azure Security Engineer Associate profile, which is AZ 500. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to secure Azure workloads, implement RBAC, and monitor threats. So, focus on the platform security and the protection. Then we have the profile, identity, and access admin. In this profile, you have to do the first course, Security Compliance and Identity Fundamental, which is SC 900. Then you have to do Identity and Access Administrator Associate course, which is SC 300. The roles and responsibilities of the profile is to manage Azure AD, MFA, multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and identity governance, which is centered around Entra ID, which is Azure AD. You can also say the Entra Azure AD has a new name, which is an Entra ID. The SOC analyst, security operations. In this, you have to first cover the SC 900 security compliance identity fundamentals. Then you have to cover the security operational analysts, in which you have to do the SC200, which is blue team focus, create response skills, which we learn. Then in this profile, you have roles and responsibilities to monitor threats using Azure Sentinel and Defender. Then we have the networking profile, the network engineer profile, which is used to design, manage VNets, load balancers, firewalls, VPNs. Then we have to first do the Azure fundamental, which is AZ900 training. After that, Azure network engineer profile, AZ700, which is pure networking skill path. Then we have the virtual desktop admin. In this profile, you have to do first the fundamental training. After that, you have to do the Azure Virtual Desktop Training Specialty AZ140. Roles and responsibilities for this profile is to deploy, maintain Azure Virtual Desktop for remote users. So, in this profile, specialized role in remote infra. Okay, infrastructures in remote. Then we have the data analyst, in which you have to do first the course DP900 is the data fundamentals. Then you have to do the Power BI data analyst PL300 code. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to visualize data, build dashboards, Power BI reports, and also analysis and data presentation will be needed in this profile, or you will learn in this profile. After that, we have the AI engineer. AI engineer, you have to do first the Azure AI fundamental, which is AI 900. After that, Azure AI engineering associate, AI 102. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to use Azure AI, cognitive services, LLMs, and chatbots. In this profile, you will learn AI solution creation and deployment. After that, we have data scientist. Data scientist is the profile where you have to train, deploy machine learning models using Azure Machine Learning. So first you have to do the DP 900, which is a Azure Data Fundamentals. After that, you have to do the DP 100, which is Azure Data Science Associate. In this, you have to learn about the deep machine learning model training and pipelines. Then we have the another training which is known as software developer. In this profile, you will build cloud native apps, APIs, functions, event driven apps. So for this profile, you have to first do the Azure 900, the fundamentals training. After that, you have to do the Azure Developer Associate, Azure 204. In this both the case courses, you will learn the application development track. After that, we have the Power Platform Developer and Consultant profile, in which you have to first do the Power Platform Fundamentals PL 900. Then we have to do the Power Platform App Maker Associate PL 100. Then you have to do the Power Platform Functional Consultant Associate PL 200. So, the roles and responsibilities of this profile to automate workflows, build Power Apps, use Dataverse. Okay, so low code app building and logic flows will be learned in this profile. Then we have the profile IT support and help desk. Right? In this profile, you have to first learn the Azure fundamentals, then the Microsoft 365 fundamental, which is MS 900. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is the basic troubleshooting, user and device support in Azure 365. So, in this courses, you will learn the entry level cloud support things. After that, governance compliance officer. In this, you have to do first the Azure fundamental. And with this Azure fundamental, you have to learn the Microsoft certified security compliance and identity fundamental, which is SC 900. Then, after this courses, both the courses, you have many options to do. You can learn the identity and access administrator SC 300. You can learn security operation analyst if you are interested in security part. You can learn the Azure security engineer associate if you have more knowledge about security part. You can learn about the information protection administrator. All the courses are different. You can learn after this for the compliance office. Okay, the security governance and compliance will be learned in this profiles. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to enforce Azure policies, compliance standards, data protection, and you can learn all these things about securities also. Then we have the another profile which is known as cloud sales engineers and pre-sales. First you have to do the Azure fundamentals plus Power Platform fundamentals PL 900, and then you have also do Azure AI fundamentals of three of this. This will help you. This will help you to breadth knowledge across the cloud and the business. Then the roles and responsibilities of this profile is to demo Azure, advise clients, and technical scoping. After that, we have the profile, the trainer, academic MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this profile, you will teach Microsoft certifications, labs, and cloud skills. For the this profile, you have to pass any associate certificate and apply for the MCT trainer. Then need one valid associate level for the minimum certification is required in this profile. Thank you for today. Hope you will get all the knowledge about each profile, how to get for the path for each profile to obtain. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.